You're holding pocket change right now that could be worth thousands of dollars, and you have no idea. That grimy, beat-up quarter sitting in your cup holder? The one with the scratches and the dark toning that makes it look worthless? It could be hiding a fortune that even seasoned collectors have missed. We're talking about coins that have sold at auction for prices that would make your head spin. One particular variety shocked the entire numismatic community when it crossed the auction block. And here's what's wild. The most valuable examples don't always look pristine. Some of the biggest moneymakers are coins that appear damaged, circulated, and completely ordinary. Right now, before you go any further, check your change. Dig through those old jars. Look at every state quarter from the year 2000. Because what I'm about to show you could change everything. If you're ready to discover what's hiding in plain sight, do me a favor. Smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and drop a comment below telling me if you've ever found a rare coin. Let's jump in. The 2000 Massachusetts state quarter looks like nothing special at first glance. Most of them are worn down from years of use, covered in grime, with surfaces that show every nick and scratch from being tossed around in cash registers and pockets. The design features the famous Minuteman statue with the outline of Massachusetts behind it. Millions of these were minted. They circulated heavily because everyone wanted to collect the new state quarter series when it launched. People spent them, machines counted them, and they got beat up fast. When you see one today, it usually looks tired, dark, forgotten. The kind of coin you'd never look at twice. But collectors know something most people don't. They know that the year 2000 was a transition period at the US Mint, and during transitions, errors happen. They know that certain Massachusetts quarters were struck with dramatic mistakes that make them incredibly valuable, even in circulated condition. And they know how to spot the difference between a common quarter and one that could fund a vacation. Let me tell you about the errors that turn this ordinary quarter into serious money. The 2000p Massachusetts quarter, minted in Philadelphia, has several known double die varieties. These are coins where the design was struck twice, slightly offset, creating a doubling effect on specific details. On some examples, you can see doubling on the letters in Massachusetts. On others, the doubling appears on the date or on the Minuteman's outline. Here's the critical part. Even on a circulated worn quarter, this doubling can still be visible under magnification. The wear doesn't erase the error. It's still there. A circulated 2000p Massachusetts quarter with a confirmed doubled die error can bring anywhere from $800 to $1,500, depending on how clear the doubling is. Now, you might be thinking that's already impressive, but it gets better. A circulated example with particularly strong doubling, even if it's got surface problems or environmental damage, has sold for over $2,000 at auction. Collectors will pay for the error, not perfection. And if you happen to find one in higher grade, even just fine to extremely fine condition, we're talking $5,000 to $8,000. But the real jaw-dropper is when these coins appear in mint state. A 2000p Massachusetts doubled die in uncirculated condition has crossed the auction block for prices exceeding $25,000. $25,000 for a quarter. Let that sink in. But there's more. The 2000D Massachusetts quarter, struck in Denver, also has rare error varieties. Some were struck off-center, meaning the design is shifted and part of the blank planche is visible. Others show die cracks, which are raised lines on the coin caused by a cracked die at the mint. These die cracks can appear as bold, spidery lines across the surface, and they're distinctive enough that even a heavily circulated coin can be identified. Off-center strikes in circulated condition have sold for $1,200 to $3,000, depending on how dramatic the misalignment is. The more off-center, the higher the value. A coin that's 30% off-center with full date visible could reach $6,000 or more, even with wear. And here's where it gets absolutely wild. There are also examples of struck-through errors on the Massachusetts quarter. These occur when a foreign object, like a piece of metal or debris, gets between the die and the plancher during striking. The result is a coin with a weird, often dramatic mark or impression that doesn't belong. A circulated 2000 Massachusetts quarter with a struck-through error sold at auction for $4,500. The coin itself looked beat up, scratched, dark toning. But the error was clear, and that's all that mattered. Now here's what you need to understand. Rarity trumps condition every single time. A coin can be ugly. It can be worn. It can have environmental damage or corrosion. But if it has a rare error, it has value. The coins that sell for the most money aren't always the prettiest. They're the ones that are different, the ones that were made wrong, the ones that slipped through quality control and ended up in circulation where they got used, abused, and forgotten. Never judge a state quarter by its appearance. That dull, scratched, tarnished Massachusetts quarter in your pocket could be hiding a doubled die. It could be off-center. It could have a die crack or a struck-through error that makes it worth more than your car payment. Look closer. Use a magnifying glass. Check the details. Because ordinary-looking quarters have sold for life-changing money, and the next one could be sitting in your change right now.